Do aliens live on other planets? Being a human being, we all have this curiosity in our minds that what if, just like on Earth, there is a life on other planets where they have the same life as us? If there is no life on the other planets, then why there are so many planets and stars in the universe? To solve this curiosity, we have been struggling a lot to know the answers. If there is life on other planets, then what aliens look like and how they spend their lives? To know the answers of these questions, NASA decided to go to the moon because it's the only planet closest to Earth. In the 1968, NASA sent Apollo 8 aircraft on a mission to complete an orbit of the moon. Apollo 8 had 3 astronauts, and they are the first 3 people who witnessed Earth rise, just like we see sunrise. They did not find anything unusual on the moon. Following the year, NASA sent Apollo 11 aircraft on the moon. This was the first aircraft to land on moon. The astronauts gathered samples and traveled back to Earth. The astronauts did not see anything on moon, but the satellite, which keeps revolving around the moon, has showed different objects. In the photos published by NASA, alien researcher Scott points out different spots that could be the presence of underground aliens. There was also a strangely constructed building that had been pointed out by Scott, but the building vanished in the other set of photos published by NASA. Scott believes that if no activity is taking place at moon, then why did that building vanish? The other part of the moon, which is known as the dark side, is comparatively different from the side which we can see from the Earth. The researchers found out that the dark side hasn't been made with the same material as the side from which astronauts collected the sample. This side has been made of metal. Researchers believe that this could be an impression of ancient alien civilization. Apart from Moon, 21 robots have been sent on Mars from Earth. These 21 robots took nearly 7 months to reach Mars. During landing, 17 robots got crushed before reaching the Mars. Only 4 robots have landed on Mars successfully and been working on a mission. In the photos that has been sent by the robots on Mars, strange objects can be spotted. Looking at the photos, it wouldn't be wrong to say that there is or was a life on Mars. Earth is not the only planet to have pyramids. Small pyramids can be seen on Mars also. In one photo, there are number of rocks can be seen, but there is this specific rock that is of pyramid shape. Alien researcher Scott believes that there are short-heightened aliens are there in Mars. In 1961, a photo was captured by Viking 1 in which there is a huge face can be seen. Nobody knows if this is just a coincidence or just like ancient Egyptians would make huge statues on Earth, aliens made that face in the same way on Mars. There has been a bone spotted at Mars which seems like a leg bone of an alien, but NASA denies it. In 2011, there had been a photo published in which a proper skull can be seen. Alien researchers firmly believe that whether aliens still present on Mars or they lived there in past. NASA's research also second the existence of life on Mars. It has been proved that there was a life on Mars just like Earth. Alien researchers believe that the aliens are more advanced than us.